Hello friends! Welcome to the first video of our training series from beginner to expert. In this episode, I will explain the welcome screen in Adobe Illustrator and how to create a new document. Let's get started. When you first open Illustrator, you will see a welcome screen like this. You can easily access your recently saved documents from here. There are also sections for preset sizes and updates. To create a new document, click on the Create New button or open a previously saved document by clicking Open. In the new document creation window, you'll see presets on the left and settings for the document's size on the right. For instance, you can select a 1920 x 1080 px document for web design or choose an A4 format for print. You can adjust the unit of measurement, orientation, and the number of pages for your document. The width and height of the document are specified here. Here, the unit of measurement is mentioned. We should pay attention to this while preparing our project. I usually use millimeters for printing. Here we determine whether the page we will create will be horizontal or vertical. Here we specify the number of pages we want to create. We can change the settings we have added at any time. In this section, you can choose the color mode for your document. If you are working on web design or social media, choose RGB. However, for print projects, it is better to select CMYK. If we are preparing a document for printing, we should choose one of the two here. After you say Create, your document is ready. As you can see, we started with a horizontal page in A4 format. In our next lesson, we will get acquainted with the Illustrator interface. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel, like the video, and leave a comment. See you soon!